All right, it's a lot sunny right now. So, hey, good afternoon, my fellow DIYers. Omar here. So today I'm taking you to a landlord's worst nightmare where tenants just have no respect for properties if it's not theirs. And even if it's theirs, the way they destroyed this house, even if it was their own, I think they would do the same thing. Some people just don't have any, I would call it home etiquette, how to take care of other people's stuff or take care of their stuff for that matter. So I'm going to take you to this property where the landlord, he's kind of in a tough spot. He's frustrated. He's thinking about listing a property instead of cleaning it up. But I'm going to take you in there and show you what tenants do to properties if they're not properly screened and you don't know who you're putting in your property. So tenant screening is very, very important. Make sure they have the qualification, make sure they have rented a home before, because a lot of folks, I'm not throwing shade or anything, but some people don't really know how to take care of a home, period. And I'm going to show you what they did in here. It's really horrible. And like I say, it's a landlord's worst nightmare. By the way, if you're watching this video, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends and family about this channel, GATKKOR DIY, and have them subscribe, and check us out, man, and look at all the stuff that I'm doing and see if you can learn something from it or, educate somebody about properties and what you've seen and the do's and the don'ts. So with no further ado, let me take you in here. Okay, so without showing the street address, I'm going to show you the home. This is the home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, or 3.5 bath is in here. This is home, and it sits on over an acre of property here. So let me take you all inside. All right, we're going in. All right, this is, hopefully y'all could see a lot of the mess. I'm not gonna stay here long. And if you notice this black stuff here, this is soot and fire, like they were burning stuff in the fireplace. Okay, all right, let's go through this place here. So it's a decent home. It was built in '89. It's not that old, but they destroyed the carpet. It's filthy in here. Look at this. They didn't even take their curtains down or nothing. But one thing I want to show you, check out this fireplace. Look at what they did. All right, they were burning mail in the fireplace. That stuff got all over the place, okay? Look at this. These tenants just moved out. Wow. Okay, let's go through. So you can tell it's pretty much filthy. That's the kitchen. Let me find some lights here. There we go. Stove is atrocious. It's horrible. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know if they were washing outdoor equipment or what. And they left all their stuff on here for whoever to clean out. Destroyed. It's just horrible. The refrigerator, they never clean this thing out. All right, that's just part of the show right now. Look at this hot mess right here. All right, it's like they left in a hurry. All right, you can tell they never even moved that washer and dryer out to clean it. Ew, don't want to touch this, but okay, that's gross. All right, let me show you the garage. All right, I don't know if there were, this looked like a mechanic shop of some sort. Okay, but like they did a lot of working on their cars in here. Look at this mess right here. This is somebody rents your property. And are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. What is that? Let's not go any further. All right, that's the garage. Okay. This. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's keep going. All right, remember, so you got a lot of soot, like, you know, stuff that they were burning in the fireplace, all the mail and all that stuff. They just got all over the place. Could have burnt the place down, you know. So, this is, oops, okay, sound like we gotta, look at this fan, man. Never been cleaned. Don't know what this is. I guess it's a shelf for, and it's some hack job that they do in here too. And yeah, this is how they left the property. Horrible. The carpet is just totally destroyed. Okay? Oof. More hack job with the shelves. They did all that. These are the originals that came with the place. And they makeshift their own shelves and all right, let's keep it moving. All right, like I said, the carpet is destroyed. See the carpet? Nasty. All right, check this out. Now I know tenants leave stuff behind, but this is unacceptable. Okay? Windows, check this out. Never been cleaned. How can you live? More hack job, wait a minute. Look at that. I don't even know how they got it up there. Okay, don't know what the locks are for, but okay. Yeah. Oh, what's going on here? A series of screws, I guess. I don't know what to say about that, but. All right, that's one of the bedrooms, okay? This is the hallway going to the next bedroom. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Check this out. Woo! Excuse the mess in the toilet, but the curling irons left back, just a lot of junk left back in the property. Yep. Just filthy like. This is the second bedroom here. Each room is pretty much destroyed. The carpet, all the carpet has got to go. Okay? Got some Merry Christmas. This is the only closet that hasn't been butchered with an additional shelf. All right, so that's the second bedroom. Let's go into, okay, the master. So this is the master bedroom, okay? So the grand entrance here. All right, I guess, I don't know if they had cable or what the heck, but there's a lot of these cables around here. Look at that. They destroyed the door right here. I don't know if they kicked it in or what happened here, but okay. I digress. And somebody was shredding a lot of information. This is a sitting area in the bedroom. Okay. Don't know what these are for. A table or some sort, but they're all busted. But yeah, this is the condition of this home. You know, it's gonna take quite a few dollars that I don't think he made. Whatever he made renting this place, you know, he's pretty much gonna utilize quite a bit of it to, so this is a standing, all right, look at this. All right, the whole kit and caboodle is destroyed. Yeah. So this is a standing shower that's really, the whole thing is falling apart. I mean, everything, the stuff is dated, okay? A lot of the sinks and everything is dated in this place, but man, come on. All right, more hack job with the closet. I don't know what's with them and putting random pieces of wood to hold up shelves and stuff. Who knows? See, somebody left a little teddy bear behind. All right, let's see what's on here. Nothing. Nothing in the master. That's a shock. I'm surprised by that. But let's get out of this place here. But like I said, this has been this landlord's worst nightmare. I'm trying to find a light switch here. You know, yeah, sounds pretty old, but they pretty much they did a number on this property. And check this out, guys. They were only here for a year. They're worse than termites, right? Let's cut these lights out. But it's a decent home if it get fixed back up, you know, fixed back up, and the owner could go ahead and rent it out. But it's gonna cost a pretty penny to get this thing back up and running. Quick side note here, I'm in the backyard, you know, so I just left a lot of stuff all over the property. Junk, you know. Like I said, it looked like they were in a rush to get out of here. The gate is kicked off the hinges. I don't know if they had chickens or something back here, but they got this section fenced off. And like I said, this property is a full acre. Okay, this is the back fenced in. There's a main street out here. And over here, the property goes all the way over there. Okay? Property line is all the way over there. So it's a nice sized yard. And even though they were renting, oh my goodness, look at this. Huh? Look at that. If you're renting, man, at least call the landlord and tell him, listen, you need to pressure wash your house. Whatever. But that never happened. So this is what you get when you have the wrong tenants on your property. Let's see the other side here. It's not that bad. There's a lot of sunshine on this side, so it's pretty clean. But like I said, I feel sorry. I'm so sorry for this homeowner. All the crap that he endured with these tenants. And hopefully everything works out for him. So again, my fellow DIYers, if you're a landlord, you own homes out there, do yourself a favor. Screen your tenants, okay? Call the previous landlords, see how they were with their properties and everything. Or this is the kind of stuff that you run into, you know. Some people, like I said in the beginning of the video, some people just don't respect other people's property. Okay? OPP. They don't respect other people's property. So do yourself a favor, save yourself the headaches, screen your tenants, screen them well. They have services out there that could do this for you. Yeah, it costs a fee or whatever, but it saves you the headache in the long run, just like this homeowner here. You know, he thought he was doing a good thing. He didn't know who he let into his property, and they destroyed it within a year. And now whatever cash flow he made, yeah, he's keeping their deposits and all that stuff, but the deposit is still not enough to get this place back up, you know, within 30 days to really get it, you know, situated for a rental again. So he has decided, you know what, I'm just going to sell it, and he's selling it as is. He's not even trying to do anything to it. He's just going to go ahead and walk away from the property. So do I blame him? Not really. I mean, he's still going to make money once he sells the property, but would he make a nice chunk of change from fixing it up and selling it? Yes. Is he going to make that nice chunk of change selling it as is? Maybe not. I don't know. With the market and the environment we're in right now, people are fighting over properties and overbidding and all this other stuff. So you never know. He might luck out on this one. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Tell your friends about my channel, GATKKOR DIY, and let's do more videos. See you on the next one. Peace.